Welcome back to Cabinda Examples, and we are going to continue our part exercise series. This is number 4, and this one we are going to develop this indexing guide. Please be aware that the units are inches, so let us jump right into SolidWorks and get this done. Now that we have SolidWorks open, let us navigate to our features, extrude bar space, front plane. Let's go to circle. Let's draw a circle from the center of origin and let's give that 5 inches in diameter. Let's go to center rectangle. From the center of origin, that will be 2.5 by 2.5 inches because it's 1.5 from here, from center to the outer edge. That's why it's 2.5. 1.25, that is, from center to outer edge. That will give us 2.5 for width and length. Now let us repeat the process. Center rectangle, and we know we want our height to be 5 or greater because our diameter of the circle is 5 and our width is the same, 2.5. And let me clear these for you to see what is going on in the sketch. And the process is the same, so that is 2.5 by 5 or greater, and this sketch is fully defined. Let us now go to the opposite direction for our extrude, and we're going to extrude this 1 inch. We're going to clear selected contours, and we're going to select all those rectangular areas within our circle, and that's it for our extrude. Let's go to Extruded Cut, click on our front face, zoom out a little bit. Let's go to center rectangle, and we're going to create some rectangles. We're going to create this one. Let's go to Smart Dimension, and let's make this 0.5 by 5 or greater. It's okay. And let us repeat this process. And give this some dimension. The width will be the same, 0.5, and the height will be 3 inches. And let us continue our rectangles, and the width is 0.5 and the length is 5 or greater. Okay, and we need one more rectangle, which is 0.5 and that will be 5. Well, you know that is incorrect. Double click on that, make that 3. Okay, and exit our sketch, and let us clear selected contours. Let us change this from blind to up to next. Select inside this box, rotate, select our back face, and come back to this selected contours box and select the areas that we don't want. So here, here, and here. Okay, and exit. And now that we have our cutout, let us navigate to Extruded Cut. And let's click on this front face. Let us go to circle, and let us draw a circle. Let's give this a diameter of 1.25. This would be 1.25. Alright, and let's now draw another circle, and let's give this a a diameter of 2.25. Okay, and now let's exit this. Let's rotate to our isometric view. I'm going to go down to selected contours. I'm going to clear sketch, and I only need this inner ring. So I'll select that inner ring. I'm going to change this to up to next. I'm going to select here, and then I'm going to click the back face, and then I'm going to click OK. Now we have our extruded cut. Now what you can do, you can go to extrude bar space. If you have this collapse, you can just come here and open it, and then you drop down this last extrude. You select sketch 3, and as you can see, we now have the option to bring this up, and let's make this 0.75. Okay, click OK, and that's it for this. Let's go to our diametric view. Let's click on solid bodies. Let's change this to plain white. Let's go back to solid bodies, and let's apply some material to this. I'm going to use plastic, and I'm going to chop it down, and I'm going to use high gloss, and then I'm going to select blue polish ABS plastic. Okay, and this is it